Hi folks, today I am preparing ladyfinger sabji. It's very yummy and delicious and mouth-watering recipe, and it's so easy to make. So let's start. I have around 500 gram of this ladyfinger. It's very raw and fresh. See, I am cutting the head part and tail also. And see, so cut this like this. So if anything if any insect or contaminated, so you can remove it. See, it's very fresh. The indicator is this. It can break very easily. See, so this is the indicator. Its vegetable is very fresh and raw. So this kind of vegetable we want because it has slightly sweetness. See, it's break very easily. It is not much hard. And remove the head part and tail. See, all the vegetable I have cut like keeping the open and broad utensil in the thali so the sticky and slimy nature will dried up, right? Now in an iron pan, take 2 tablespoons mustard oil and heat it. Now add half tablespoon punch fodan. Punch fodan I have told in the rest of the recipe to go over and see. Now add red chili. You can skip it and add dry chili also if you like that. Add chopped garlic, 4 to 5 chopped garlic I am adding here, and roast till the aroma came or it becomes light brown. See, now add chopped ladyfinger. So ladyfinger has become slightly dry and doesn't have any drop of water. So saute it for 30 seconds and cover to cook for 5 to 6 minutes. See, at the very low flame. So keep in mind, flame should be at very low, and it has been 5 minutes and see, the vegetable is getting tender and soft. Again mix thoroughly. See, add salt as per your taste. Add turmeric. Turmeric is I am adding here because it retain the color of the vegetable. Color will be green after cooking, so original color will be there. Again I am covering it and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. See, after 5 minutes the vegetable has been cooked perfectly. See, it don't have any sticky or slimy thing. See, now I am again cooking for 2 minutes. See, the vegetable looks very yummy and my kitchen has full with the flavor of the ladyfinger. Now for enhancement of the taste and nutrient, I am adding, see, vegetable is cooked very perfectly. I am adding lime juice. So about half tablespoon it is. So add it and mix it. So the flavor, and if there is any sticky or slimy thing, it will be dissolved. See, it's very easy and simplest recipe. So try it in your kitchen and write back to me. I guarantee you it comes out very delicious, loaded with health benefits also. So try it today only. And if you like my recipes, please subscribe my channel to keep motivating me. Thanks for watching.